So dear student, welcome to the chemistry classes. Today I am going to the continuation in the chemical kinetics chapter, that is what integrated rate equation. So what is meant by integrated rate equation? Why we learned the integrated rate equation? That is very important. So dear student, one thing I will tell you, already from our previous knowledge, we know that A plus B, a reaction tends to the product P. How to write the rate equation? The rate we are writing that minus a concentration of dA divided by dt and equal to minus dB concentration by dt is equal to the plus the D concentration of P divided by dt. This is what rate equation or writing, dear student, already we know this. But one thing, this is a differential rate equation. This is a differential rate equation. This differential rate equation, this differential, nodri, the dA by dt means, what is meant by this dA? dA means it is very small change. Small change. dt means a small time. Small time. Andra small change, small time ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ dA by dt ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗೈತೆ. ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೇನು ನಾವು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ಇವೇನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಡಿಷನ್. The integrate itself means that addition. The addition of small change of the reaction, the addition of small change of the reaction leads to the large change and in the large time of the reaction. ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಐತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So the integrated rate equation for zeroth order and first order. The integrated rate equation for zeroth order and one more is first order reaction. Out of this two, one 5 marks question, 100% is fixed. 100% is one 5 marks question. One 5 marks question is fixed for your examination. Derivations are there. Zeroth order for the integrated rate equation, first order rate equation. Out of two, one is fixed. So I will discuss today zeroth order integrated rate equation, first order, next video classes. Okay. Today I am going to discuss the zeroth order integrated rate equation. Okay. Okay. Dear student, we will discuss the derivation and it is very important for 5 marks. Dear student, go for it. Go ahead. Okay. First, integrated rate equation. Already I explained that what is meant by integrated rate equation, and we are discussing we are deriving for the zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, what is the integrated rate equation? Integrated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ರೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜೀರೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. Okay, what is meant by zero order reaction? Already we know that the concentration of the reactant, the concentrated. Okay, we know that the zero order reaction, the rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant. That reactant is zero because that is zero order reaction. We are discussing zero order reaction. Therefore, one reaction R tends to this P. The reactant tends to the P. Here the rate is given by, rate is directly proportional to concentration of the reactant. That reactant power is zero because zero order reaction. Zero order reaction Yes, right. And the proportionality constant we are removing, R equal to K into R naught. This is equation 1. And how to write the rate equation or rate equation for this reaction? We are writing that rate is minus dr by dt. Yes, right. This is what equation 2. We are writing rate is minus dr by dt, concentration of reactant decreasing. Compare equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, minus dr by dt is equal to K into R naught. K into R naught. This is what equation comparing 1 and 2. Okay. You should go for this. What is that? Minus dr by dt is equal to K into R naught concentration. K into what? R naught concentration. Okay. This dt is going in this side, minus dr equal to K into R naught into dt. Integrate this equation. Integrated the above equation. So after integrating, this is what integration symbol, dr equal to K into R naught into integration of dt. One simplest formula, dear student, it will come in your integration chapter mathematics. So integration of dr, it gives us to R, and K into R naught, K into R naught concentration, and this dt, this integration of R naught. Yes, right. This integration of okay, this dt is t, integration of dr is r, integration of dt is t, and this is what, whenever not anything to the power 0 is 1. Yes, right. Therefore substitute in this 1, so this is becomes K into t, K into t plus I. What is I? I is the integration constant. Whenever you are learning integration, this will comes. Okay, don't worry. And next, R equal to KT plus I. So next we are going for the if initially time 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ reaction start ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Initially time 0 and reactant R becomes R naught. R becomes what? R naught. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು R tends to P ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ 0 ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಟೈಮ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಏನ ನಾ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ R ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? R naught ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ 100% ಇರ್ತದೆ. R naught ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100% ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್. So substitute these two value in this equation 3. Substitute these two value in equation 3. Therefore, what happens? Minus R idal R naught ಹಾಕಿದೇವಿ, KT T is 0. Therefore it is 0. Therefore it is equal to I. Therefore I equal to what? Minus R naught. Substitute this one in the equation 3. Substitute this one in the equation 3. Substitute this one in the equation 3. Minus R equal to KT minus KT. I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ R naught. Therefore minus R naught. Therefore ನಮಗೆ R naught ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಂಬರಿ, KT ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ. Therefore R naught minus R equal to KT. Therefore T equal to R naught minus R divided by K. This is what integrated rate equation for zeroth order reaction. Zeroth order reaction. Zeroth order reaction, dear student. Once again I will explain this derivation, and it is very simple. There are 5 marks question they are asking, and if they are asking if idra K bekandre K equal to the R naught concentration minus R concentration divided by T. ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ concentration ಇರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. This is what ನೋಡಿ first the rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. Already we know that. What is the order of reaction? The order of reaction or the rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. From this R tends to P, R equal to R naught. R equal to R naught. This is what our zeroth order reaction. And proportionality constant we are removing R equal to K into R naught. This is what equation 1. From the rate equation, the rate directly proportional to concentration, that is decreasing, minus dr by dt. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is same. Therefore, we are to compare this. So from this is what equation, and this is zeroth order reaction, and the dt is going in this side, and this is differential form. We have to integrate this equation. After that, this integrating, this is what concentrated integrated rate equation. And one thing, simple formula, the integration of dx is x plus I, the integration of dt is t plus I. This is what integration formula you have to remember. Their formula just. And next, the integration of dr, the integration of dr is R concentration and into kr naught into T, the dt concentration is T. And next, that anything to the power 0 is 1, therefore this term is going, therefore Kt plus I. And next, this is what R concentration, therefore Kt plus I. So substitute, so we have to substitute T equal to 0 and R equal to R naught, means initially starting reaction, T equal to 0, R equal to R naught. Substitute in the equation 3, R ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ R naught ಆಗತೈತಿ, ಇದು T ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಟ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೋಗೈತಿ, I ಅಂದ್ರೆ R naught ಐತಿ. Substitute I equal to R naught in the equation 3. So this is what I equal to R naught. This is what concentration term. So they are concentration terms. Yes, right. Therefore R naught minus R equal to Kt, T equal to R naught minus R divided by K. So ನಮಗೆ K ಆದ್ರೂ one term, T ಆದ್ರೂ one term. This is what zeroth order first equation. So this is what a derivation, dear student. Of 5 marks they are asking this question, and continuation term I will explain that some more. So dear student, the board is very small, so that's why I rub and then I am going to use. So order of reaction, zeroth order reaction, the equation becomes minus R concentration equal to Kt minus R naught concentration, dear student. This is what equation of zeroth order reaction for integrated rate equation. After simplifying, I take minus sign common, take okay, and in the form of T or in the form of K. Wait. Okay, no problem, nothing will happen. So if we are taking T common, therefore K equal to R naught concentration minus R concentration divided by T. This is one. Or in terms of T equal to R naught minus R concentration divided by K. This is what equations were obtained from this. And one thing, minus sign we are taking common, dear student. Here now minus sign common ತಕೋರಿ, minus common ತಕೊಂಡ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದೆ integrated rate equation R equal to minus Kt plus R naught. What I am discussing, this is very important for your NEET point. I am discussing this. So our zeroth order integrated rate equation becomes R naught equal to minus Kt plus R naught. And one thing you remember, Kt, this is what in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. So here you see here y means concentration of reactant and m means slope minus k. This is what m and this is what y, and t means our x-axis, and concentration c becomes c constant becomes R naught. So we have to plot the graph for this equation. They are asking integrated rate equation graph in your NEET CET JEE, dear student. So observed from this graph, this is what a graph. Y means the concentration of reactant. concentration of reactant R, and it is time graph. This is what a time graph. So the graph is like this. Why it is decreasing graph, downward graph ಯಾಕೈತಂದ್ರೆ our slope is minus. Our slope is in minus slope. So minus slope ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ, decreasing downwards. And this is what R ಆಯ್ತು, and it is time t. And next ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is what a slope. The slope is minus k, and this whatever intersection, this intersection is called as R naught, initial concentration. This is what total ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು R naught. This reactant ಏನು y axis ತೋರಿಲ್ಲ R concentration. This is the time, slope is minus k, therefore it obeys the straight line equation. This obeys the straight line equation, but slope is minus, so it is downwards. If slope is positive, the graph is like this. Either it will be upwards, they are upwards. Negative sign and downwards. So this is what need point, very important. So I discussed this point also. So this is very important, dear students. You have to practice this equation for 5 marks. They are asking the derivation and this graph and all. Some problematics are there. From this I will discuss separate video for only problems. So okay, you have to practice this integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. In the next video I will go for the integrated rate equation for the first order reaction. Okay, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.